Hey everybody, this is Tyler from Riverside Millwork Group again. Today we're going to show you how to change a door. So we'll get right into it. So first thing we're going to do, throw some shims down here just to keep the door from moving around on us, falling over. Next step, you're going to pop the pins out of your hinges here. We'll start with the bottom one here, and then a little trick on this. Your hammer, this is going to be too big to fit down there. Turn it on the side. Give it a whack with this area here. Start to pop the pin up. Pop that pin out. Get the top pin here. Careful you don't hit the door or the casing. Alright, pins are out. You should be able to take this out pretty easily. There we go, just like that. So two things you're going to want to do. Check the size of the door, make sure you've got the right one. Here we've got a 30-inch, and our new door we have a 30-inch. And check the placement on the hinges. If you get your doors from us, they're going to be machined to whatever specifications you provide, but it's always good to double check to make sure they're going to fit. So we've got 8 inches to the top of that hinge and 69 inches to the top of the bottom hinge. We'll double check those numbers here. 8 and 69. Next thing you want to double check is going to be the swing of your door, and how you do that is you're going to put your back to the jamb of the door. Whichever way the door opens, that's your swing. So this would be a right swing. Hinges on this one are set up for a right swing. And if we look at this door here, hinge is going to sit out here, so the jamb would be here. That's set up for a right swing as well, so we're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and take the hinges off of this door, put them on our new door. Today we're changing styles from a 2-panel arched to a 6-panel smooth door. Okay, we'll move over to our new door here. You're always going to want to pre-drill these holes. This one's already been drilled for us, so we don't have to worry about that. We're just going to go ahead and put our screws into the hinge on the new door. Again, always good to use a screwdriver for this kind of stuff so that you don't strip any of the holes out. Double check that everything is tight. Alrighty, we're all good. So we're going to go ahead and move the old door out of the way. And we're going to grab our new door, have our hinge pins in our hand ready to go. And what you're going to do here, we're going to start with the bottom hinge. We're going to set those two knuckles together, and then we're going to go up to the top. I'm just going to try and pop that in place like that. Set both of our pins in. Couple taps with the hammer. make sure that the door fits. It look like we've got a consistent reveal all the way around. It's swinging nicely, no binding. And that's it, nice and simple. Next thing you're going to want to do, put a handle on this door. If you want to see how to do that, you can check out our most recent video and goes over that in detail. Other than that, you're good to go.